1 cup of coarse semolina, 1 cup of sugar, half a cup of desiccated coconut, a handful of raisins, 1 tablespoon of sunflower seeds, crushed cardamom from 4 pods of cardamom, oat milk, which you'll need about 4 to 8 tablespoons, 1 tablespoon of coconut oil. Melt coconut oil, add raisins and sunflower seeds, fry until the seeds become slightly golden and the raisins plump up, which is about now. And remove the raisins and seeds and reserve them for later. In the remaining oil, add the semolina and toast until golden. Make sure to stir occasionally so that it doesn't burn. After 5 minutes on a low to medium heat setting, the semolina has toasted and become a golden brown, and I'm just going to switch off the heat and add the desiccated coconut. Switch the heat back onto a low setting and stir for another minute. Mix well. Next, add the sugar and mix well. This is still on a low heat. After mixing in the sugar, switch off the heat and add 4 tablespoons of the oat milk just initially and mix well. I'm just going to add another 2 tablespoons of the oat milk to help it bind more. Again, the sizzling is just from the pan being hot and the flame is actually not switched on. I've added another 2 tablespoons of the oat milk, so that's 8 tablespoons in total, and literally we just want to get it to a stage where we can form balls with the mixture. I'm now going to add the cardamom powder and the fried raisins and sunflower seeds. Mix well. Whilst the mixture is still warm, you want to form little balls. So I'm going to use about half a tablespoon and form it into a ball.